This video will help you change your DNS at GoSite so that it will point to the listingware name servers where we're hosting your website. I'm at the GoSite.com website and I'm going to click here to log into my account. I'll click Go. That brings me into the primary page for my account. On the left hand side there's a domain manager menu. I'll click that and it will actually pop up the domain manager in a new window. Now yours probably won't take this long because you may not have as many domain names as we have under management, but when the list shows up it should show your domain names. Okay, we've got quite a few domain names here and I'm just going to pick one out. Now you would normally just pick your domain name that you want to point to the listingware name servers or point to the listingware servers for hosting. Now when the detail screen comes up here, there is a panel here that shows all the settings for a domain name. What we're going to do is change the DNS to, instead of use the name servers at GoSite, we're going to have them point the website toward the listingware server for hosting. So I'll click on the total DNS control and MX record. It may take a moment to load, and when it does load it's going to have several settings, and we're only going to be concerned with the very first one, the one that says A and in parentheses host, and under the host value it's got the @ symbol and then points to has an IP address. We're going to make that an IP address at listingware. So I'll go over here to the right and click under this first button that says Actions, and that's the Edit button. That'll pop up another box here, an A record edit. I'm going to change that IP address to 75.127.84.132. Leave the other values as they are and click OK. Now once that is changed, it says that the record is successfully modified, and I'll click OK. Now you see that the value for the @ symbol, which means the base domain name, now is this 75.127.84.132, and that is the only change that's necessary to be able to point to the listingware web servers for your website hosting. And it'll take a little while for that to propagate. That means that it will show up on the rest of the internet, but that should be all to do to finish that up. So I'm going to go ahead and log back out of my account, and then everything else should be okay.